Hi, this is Wayne's Audio, and this is our feature video for our universal record clamp. This universal record clamp is made of 304L stainless steel. It weighs 750 grams. Its diameter is 88 millimeters. Its height is 55 millimeters. Now, at the center of the record clamp, we have ferrules that can tightly clamp to the center spindle of your record player. This universal record clamp improves sound by reducing LP slippage and unwanted resonances. It provides stabilization to your whole record turntable unit. This right here is a warped record. It is warped upwards in the center. To fix this, we can use our universal record clamp. To use our universal record clamp, we place it on the center spindle. We push down and tighten the knob. Now it's ready to go. To further maximize contact and stabilization of the unit, we can use our Wayne's Audio Universal Turntable Outer Ring. Now the center and the rim are both stabilized. You can purchase these items on our AudioGon, eBay, or our website, waynesaudio.com. Thanks for watching.